Have you ever seen a cat eating noodles? Yes, you heard it right. Picture this, a fluffy, plump cat, the kind that makes you want to squish its fur, sitting at a rustic wooden table. Not just sitting, mind you, but engaging in a feat we typically associate with us humans, eating noodles, and not just any noodles, but a hot bowl of ramen. It's an endearing sight watching this feline food lover wrestle with the chopsticks. There's a certain charm in its clumsy attempts to pick up the chopsticks with its tiny paws. It's as if it's determined to prove that opposable thumbs aren't a prerequisite for enjoying a good meal. Picture the bowl before this noodle-slurping feline. It's brimming with a rich, flavorful broth, the kind that warms you from the inside. Floating in it are thinly sliced pieces of egg, vibrant green onions, and an assortment of other toppings that make the dish as colorful as it is delicious. As our feline friend begins to eat, it's a symphony of sounds. The soft slurping of noodles, the occasional clink of chopsticks against the bowl, and perhaps even a content purr or two. Every now and then a few drops of broth splatter, a testament to the cat's enthusiasm in devouring the noodles. And all of this is happening in a cozy kitchen, bathed in warm lighting that adds to the whole homely feel. It's as if you've stumbled upon a secret, a little slice of life that's both unusual and heartwarming. That's right, a cat that loves noodles. Sounds unbelievable? Stick around to hear more about this feline foodie. This is just the beginning, folks. We've got a lot more to uncover about our noodle-eating cat and its unique culinary preferences. You might just find that there's more to this feline foodie than meets the eye. So how did our feline friend develop such a unique taste for noodles, you might ask? Well, it all started with a single strand of noodle and a whole lot of curiosity. This particular cat, let's call him Whiskers, had always been a bit of an adventurer when it came to food. He'd watch with bright, inquisitive eyes as his human family sat down to eat, intrigued by the variety of scents that wafted through the air. Then one day, while the family was enjoying a hearty bowl of ramen, a solitary noodle slipped from a chopstick and landed on the floor. Whiskers, ever the opportunist, pounced on it with the enthusiasm of a kitten chasing a laser pointer. That single strand of noodle was the beginning of a love story. Whiskers discovered that not only did the noodle have an intriguing texture, but it also carried the delicious flavors of the broth it had been swimming in. The noodle was a whole new world of taste and texture, completely different from his usual diet of kibble and canned food. From that day forward, Whiskers became a regular visitor at the family's mealtimes, always hoping for a noodle to drop his way. His preference for noodles was clear, but it wasn't just about the taste. It was also about the thrill of the chase, the fun of playing with his food before eating it, and the shared experience with his human family. This adventurous eating habit is not uncommon among cats. They're naturally curious creatures and are often attracted to new and different things. And while noodles may not be a typical part of a cat's diet, Whiskers' story shows us that cats, like people, can develop unexpected tastes. So, next time you're sitting down to a bowl of noodles, don't be surprised if your feline friend shows a bit of interest. Just remember to keep it to a minimum, as too much human food isn't good for them. And that's how our little friend discovered the joy of noodles. But what does this tell us about cats and their eating habits?
Cats are known for their finicky eating habits, but noodles? That's a new one. The world of felines is filled with intriguing mysteries and unusual behaviors. Cats, as many of us know, are obligate carnivores. This means their natural diet consists almost entirely of meat. They require certain nutrients, such as taurine and arachidonic acid, that are found primarily in animal tissues. That's why a typical cat meal would usually involve some form of meat, be it fish, chicken, or beef. However, as many cat parents can attest, our furry friends can sometimes show interest in the food on our plates. Cats are curious creatures after all. They might sniff at a slice of pizza, paw at a piece of cheese, or, in some cases, show an uncanny interest in noodles. Yes, noodles, that delightful slurp-worthy food that we humans love, can sometimes catch a cat's fancy. It's a sight that's both hilarious and perplexing. A cat with its tiny paws and sharp claws trying to navigate the slippery strands of a noodle. Now, this doesn't mean that your cat is about to turn vegetarian or that it should start sharing your spaghetti dinners. Cats still need their meat, and too much human food can actually be harmful to them. It's important to remember that while it's amusing to see a cat exploring different foods, their health should always be the top priority. That being said, the occasional noodle won't harm your cat, provided it's cooked and not seasoned with anything potentially harmful like garlic or onions. Some cats might enjoy the challenge of eating something as tricky as a noodle, while others might simply enjoy the change in texture. In the grand scheme of things, a cat eating noodles isn't the norm, but it's not completely unheard of either.
Cats have been known to enjoy a variety of foods, from melons to marshmallows, despite their carnivorous nature. So while it's unusual, our noodle-loving cat isn't alone in its culinary adventures. So what have we learned from our noodle-eating cat today? Well, it's not just a quirky internet sensation. It's a testament to the fascinating and often unexpected world of feline eating habits. Our fluffy friend's love for noodles is a testament to the versatility and adaptability of cats, showing us that their taste buds can be as diverse as our own. We've also delved into the broader topic of cats and their interest in human food. While it's important to note that not all human foods are safe for cats, it's undeniable that their curiosity can lead them to sample a wide variety of dishes. So, whether it's noodles or another unexpected treat, we encourage you to share your own stories of your cat's unusual eating habits. Who knows, your four-legged companion might just become the next internet sensation. Next time you're eating noodles, don't be surprised if your feline friend shows some interest. After all, cats are full of surprises.